this shit.
Already flooded.
I've seen it all now.
Don't drown.
Fucking flooded.
Might just let it float, man.
Look at that. It's coming in the road and all that shit. Fuck. Just went through some kind of...
Entire freeway's flooded at about 96-mile marker. Nobody's going anywhere. You got law enforcement on scene shutting it down. Yeah, everything shut down. They're just going real slow.
Right, they shut down the road. This is what it means when they shut down the road. They fucking block it. It's shut down. It's done.
Shut shit down. Over here on the eastbound, it looks like he's trying to start it.
Well, let's get the fuck by him.
Forced to the right lane, westbound. Who the fuck knows?
Yeah,
Yeah, westbound, it's